Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today Amma is going to show us a different way in which you can marinate the chicken mince for making momo. This video is solely focused on the preparation of the chicken mince, so we won't go into detail about making the dough and steaming the momo, as most of you will already know how to do this. If not, we will leave more information in the description below. For this recipe you will need 780 grams of chicken mince, 500 grams of onions, salt as per your preference, 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1½ medium-sized tomato, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, and a handful of coriander. So it's quite straightforward. In our bowl of chicken mince, we just need to add the ingredients I just listed. So let's add 500 grams of onions, which has been very thinly chopped. Next, add 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Then add half a teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a handful of coriander which has been thinly chopped as well. Pour 4 tablespoons of oil, and now for the special ingredient, get 1½ medium-sized tomato. You can cut them in half and preheat in a microwave to soften them, then just blend it for a few seconds so it turns into a liquid and pour the tomato juice over the chicken mince. Then add some salt as per your preference. Now use your hand to mix everything together. So the reason why this recipe is a bit different is because we included tomatoes when marinating the chicken mince, which gave us much juicier momos. There are tons of ways to marinate the chicken mince for momo, and this is just one way of doing it. So this is our dough making station. Here's my dad's hands making a cameo appearance. As you can see, Amma is wrapping up the chicken mince with the dough, basically turning them into momo. After wrapping up all of the chicken mince, they are now ready to steam. And here is a clip of some steaming hot momo. Now that the momos are cooked, serve alongside some spicy tomato chutney and enjoy. As always, thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you all next week. Bye!